Welcome to our channel, V&Sflavorful Journeys. We invite you to come along with us. Our videos may be exploring new destinations or a new recipe in the kitchen. In today's video, we are traveling to the city of Utica in the Mohawk Valley for a full foliage train ride on the Adirondack Railroad. It runs from Utica, New York, north to Thundera, New York, in the Adirondacks. The round-trip ride takes about 5.5 hours. They offer several popular themed excursions. If you are not familiar about Utica, Utica is known for some very delicious Italian dishes. To name a few, Utica greens, chicken riggies, and one of my favorites, tomato pie. You can see us enjoying some of that in the photos that I'm putting on. I hope you will enjoy watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Grab some popcorn and a beverage, sit back and come along with us and enjoy the ride.
Catching the train, getting out of Dodge. Sounds like your bedroom.
Toot toot.
Here we are on the train.
Choo choo.
Choo choo. I got a lot of red ones. Oh, come on. There's probably more. Can you see? Oh, there we go. I wonder what lake that is. Ooh! Nice. Oh, how nice. Wow. These go fast. Where it turns 90 degrees basically, and you can see it. They said there was a lot of red, and there is.
This side too.
Can you see?
Over here, over here.
Oh, there we go. I wonder what lake that is.
Nice.
Where it turns 90 degrees basically, and you can see it. That's a good picture. He's going fast. Curious if they make up time or Damn it, Jim. Oh my God. Because I can at least do a screenshot. But you can't see the...
Well, if we switch for them.
Yeah. That'll give us a different perspective.
Yeah, please. So I can brag.
I'll send you this stuff. I'm just shooting video because I can do a screenshot.
Yeah.
I want to go in the water. Oh my God.
I got a photo. It is pretty. Oops, sorry. There's geese out on that.
Let's see the geese.
How many times do you do this a day? Once?
Yes. It is a very nice
I like any kind of water guys. There's something about it. It must be something the womb or something.
I hope you enjoyed coming along for a ride with us. We appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, we want to grow our channel. We want to keep bringing more on. We're going to do more things where we travel and some of the stuff in our local area, and then when we go on longer trips. And we're going to do some food videos pretty soon too. Get some more of those going. So thanks for being with us. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.